In handling group discussion, CEO workers use question except talk down to the group. Yes, nakaka-stimulate yan, nakaka-steer yan ng interest. Provoke thinking. Ah, yan pala sir. Tama sir, no? Open and closed discussion, yes. Totoo po. Talk down. Ibig sabihin ng talk down, parang minamaliit mo sila. Hindi po ganyan yung group discussion. Okay? So, all except one are motivation strategies to generate community awareness. So, yung target po dyan, community awareness. Dapat alam niyo yung pinag-uusapan talaga sa... Ito nga yung sabi ni Carly Balita. So, segue ko na si Dr. Carly Balita because Carly Balita is one of my, let's say, model in terms of reviewing students para talaga matutunan. No? I also encourage sa education attainment ni Dr. Carly Balita. Ito yung sabi niya, mostly daw sa mga reviewer, kasi parang sinurbin niya yung mga CBRC. Mostly daw sa kanila, hindi alam kung ano yung subject-verb agreement. Saan yung object, ano ba talaga pinag-usapan. Delikado yan kasi hindi mo malaman yung pinag-usapan, no? Hindi mo masasagutan. So, demonstration, of course, nakaka-raise ng awareness. Meron kang dinidemonstrate sa kanila na community. Ito yung ginawa nila. Ito yung gawin natin. Kinopya mo. So, nakopya mo. Pumunta kayo ng community na maganda yung CO practice. Slide presentation po. Maganda yan. Creative media, walang magagawa yan. Tool lang yan. Okay? So, 17. Practical needs of women relate more to short-term process. This include the following except one. Okay? So, practical needs of women relate more to short process. So, more participation in decision making. Okay, relate more to short-term process. Well, ito kasi nga parte, short-term process lang yung pinag-usapan. Yes, maganda yung more participation ng women. Kaso lang yung pinag-usapan kasi dito, short-term lang. No? Yan kasing more participation, pang long-term na yan. Okay? So dito talaga, pinakapunto talaga dito class, the time duration. So it's all about needs, but yung pinakapunto talaga nito, yung short term, except. Ganun ba, no? Ganun mo sinamarize yung question. Short term, except. So short term, no? Health education, increase income, in an instant, kayang ibigay yan. No? Pero itong more participation, it needs time. Ang daming time na makukuhaan mo dyan. This activity is important in attaining community involvement and participation. Of course. Napansin mo na yon na in-invite mo yung isang tao na hindi mo close, hindi yan pupunta. A person who don't have a relationship, do not participate and do not involve. When we say rapport, that's relationship. All except one are purposes of CO. Ano yung hindi? Implement group project. No, hindi lang po nakaka-implement ng group project yan. Okay? So achieve selected social goals, build capacity. Implement group project. Hindi lang po yan yung pinaka-main na target ng CO. Yung group project. Hindi po ganyan, no? Activities lang po yung paggawa ng group project. 20. The process of assessing the progress that worker na client as a worker partnership as she is known. Evaluation. May progress ba? Ay nako, internet no, hindi makisama. So number 20 natin ay evaluation. It talks about progress, no? Kung na-achieve ba. Ibig sabihin, kung nagawa ba, may nagawa ba yung kuan, implement. Sorry, na-mute. O 1971, Philippine Ecumenical Council for Community Organization kang Alinsky po to. Noong 1971 po to ginawa. Okay? Sorry for my signal class, no? Sir James yun rin na nagsasuffer. Social work believes that individual, group, or community is distinct. Ano yan na principle? Meron this peculiar or merong kinukumpara sa iba, sometimes individual principle. Hello, hello, hello. Muna, no? Okay, no? Ay, nako, no? Nakainis to, ah. Let's continue, no? So in 5, hello, nakikita niyo yung slides ko? Ay, nako, no? Sige, continue tayo, ha? Loud and clear ako, no? Loud and clear. Continue tayo kasi recorded, no? Sayang yung na-record. Loud and clear ako. Send naman your likes there kasi okay, no? Providing support to community meeting, the social worker makes the following information except one. Ano yung pwede niya ano nga to? Budget. Kasi may mga kliyente po, pumupunta lang yan dyan. No? Well, although hindi tayo critical sa mga clients sa community. Pag pera na pong pag-usapan po, iba na pong tingin ng tao yan. No? Community work, we say that a city worker has blank when the people's problems question become part of their own adaptation. Pag sabi natin empathy at sympathy, na lang, yung feeling nila, yung naramdaman, when become part of their own, naka-adapt sila talaga. Po. Yung sympathy, sometimes, at empathy, ginagamit po yan sa psychological problems. May naramdaman yung client, depressed, yan po yan. Pero yung CO talaga, being immersion, nag-i-immerse tayo sa community, hindi na po pwede sympathy lang siya, no? Adaptation. Social mobilization as planned process, seeking to facilitate change, consider the following factors, except one. So, halos lahat, no, ng except one. Actually, mahirap yung except one, mga pa-except na mga tanong yan, kasi in order na malaman mo ano yung hindi kasali, so dapat alam mo lahat ng kasali. So, political issues. Yan part ng social mobilization plano. Actually, sa totoo lang class, mostly talaga mga mayroong political something sa CO ng mga kung kasi ayaw natin sumsog mga political manifestations. Yan talaga yung iniwas natin. No? So usually, parang meron ako nakitang 4 na political exempts, hindi talaga siya pwede isali. Central Luzon through provision of health, welfare, education, and agricultural system known as ano to? Social amelioration. Bakit po? Meron tayo model ng C. We will discuss yan later kasi mga question na ganyan. Social planning, locality development, or community development, and social action. So ito, kasi isi-search mo to, meron pong program, yung DWD na social amelioration. Actually, lahat po niyan, yung nasa taas, kasali na lahat, assistance, social action, and mobilization. Community development project should have a phase-out plan. This phase-out plan. Community taking over the duties and responsibilities form external support agencies. Parang private. So, phase-out plan, oftentimes, and din yung mga times na na-terminate na yung project or, meron, they are still having plan kahit na-phase out na yung grupo na organize mo. No? So, yung community mo, yung nag-take responsibility para kumonekta sa mga other agencies. Yan po yung meaning ng phase out plan. Community work in urban housing and resettlement was initially launched with the resettlement of spots in 1950. Ano po to? Bago tayo Quezon City. Okay. Bago ba tayo Quezon City? Ano yung quantity niyan? Community work in urban housing, continue tayo. Continue na lang natin na kasi recorded kasi ito eh. Narinig niyo pa rin ako, class? Loud and clear? Ngayon. Teka lang, hindi ako makashare. Saglit lang ha. Okay. Okay. Sorry for connection, no? I think malakas-lakas na internet ko. Okay kasi dito. Walang gay na ba? May nakikita na kayong slide, no? Slides na share ko. Yung PowerPoint, wala pa. Okay, wala pa. Stop presenting. Ulitin natin. Are you seeing a slide now? Now. Para meron na. Number 31, okay. Dictator po yung sagot dyan, okay? Interaction in the central element in the group learning and worker facilitator must manifest accepting attitude. So, isa yan sa mga punto. The behavior can be shown to the following except one. So, moralizing. No? Moralizing po yung dasali. The rest is positive, no? Ano yung sabihin ng moralizing? Ay, maganda to sir. Ang moralizing kasi may parang kamalian ang lagi yung nakikita mo sa tao. Yan po, hindi po yan kasali. The goal of CEO according to Dunham, ito yun, no? Task goals, yan po yung sinasabi niya, task goals, process goals, and relationship. Okay? Dunham, memorize nyo yan, no? Ang Dunham, Arthur. Self-reliant communication at okay? Purpose, yun talaga yung purpose CEO, no? Self-reliant communities. Yung tipong kahit maiwanan nyo na sila, kaya na nila. Planning and monitoring of different development plans are lodged in specific agency entity. Example of that, hindi po kasali yung sangguniang bayan. So, kasi yung agency kasi yung pinag-usapan dito. Okay, sangguniang bayan hindi po. No, development are lodged, hindi po. Example, NEDA, National Economic Development. National Economic Development, no? Isa lang po dyan yung mga development tasks foremost. No? Ito regional development, provincial development, NEDA economic development, nakapos po talaga sila sa development planning. Okay? No? In data gathering, the principle of parsimony should be observed. Ano yung parsimony? Importante lang yung kinukuha, yung mga relevant na information. Okay? Ano yung sakit na kasumot eh? Mga small talk lang yan. Pero pag hindi mo na importante, huwag mo na tanungin. Sayang yung oras. Community work is sometimes hampered lang kung tao eh. So, tao. Kasi, pero kung internet, speed, hindi lang ka. Ulit-ulit na tayo dito. Anyway, recorded naman to, no? Ito yung kagandahan, no? Kasi hindi naka-cut off yung recording. Kaya ko nga hindi tinitigil eh, kasi recorded, sayang na sayang. No? May nakikita na kayong slides ko dito. Kita nyo sa slide ko? Nakikita nyo na yung slide ko? Okay. Sige. So ito yung condo class, no? Pag wala masyadong tao kasi walang pera, nangangailangan ng volunteer, no? Consultant, hindi po, ang mahal-mahal po yung consultant, no? Yan po yung mga taong ang laki ng expense. So you get them, malaki yung bayad. Pero ngayon yung mga volunteers may bayad na, sometimes may mga allowance. All except one are included in communities demographic, population density, occupation ng trabaho, ano, number of population, kasali yan, distribution, sex, kasali po yan. Population density lang talaga yung hindi kasali sa demographic. An expression of space. Sustainable development. Okay? Letter D, sustainable development value. Which are currently emphasizing CO. Example 1, search report balatan. This phenomenon of people marching in the streets with placards ay social protest. Protest ay nagali parang ganun. National Council for Social Development Foundation of the Philippines in CSDF evolved from the Council of Welfare Agencies. Ito mga objective naman to. Need for further objective. Rising yun yung mga sometimes mga objective type ng mga simula, hindi na kailangan explain, wala nang word. Lalo na sa mga definitions, history, ay hindi mo na pwede explain. Bakit ba 1965 ginawa yung bus natin? Hindi mo na yung ma-explain talaga. May mga ganyan talaga, no? Na you need to memorize. For explanation. Provide facilities for people to meet and jointly promote community organization. Develop community center. Of course, no? Yan talaga yung pinakapunto. Community centers. CO to eh. A belief in the capacity of people is value. No? Ang dami po kasing values ng CO. Expression of value of CO. Ano yung value class? Something that we see as important. Yan po yun. No? Something we value. Marami po tayong binavalue sa buhay. Mga values. Hindi lang po isa yung values na rin. Even in CO. Characteristics of institution, whether legal, economic, cultural, recreation, or other human group, community, or society, which limit the fullest possible participation. Ano yun? Discrimination yung tawag po dyan. Okay? Yung naglilimita ka ba? Discrimination. Ay, PW, hindi natin yan isali kasi ganito. Oh. Discrimination ka. Pag discrimination ka kasi, meron kang ayaw sa isang grupo o isang minority. So, discriminate mo sila. The first social welfare agency in the Philippines to use casework. Sorry pang sorry, casework. Ito pa rin yung sagot, no? Sorry, casework yung tanong. Group work yung lumabas. Pag sabi natin one class, group work, so nagbago yung tanong. Kasi pag casework kasi societies. Pag group work, settlement house. Okay, ano kaya mag-CO, sir? Sometimes mula yung CO talaga sa organizing, community development. No? So, I'm not talking about yung community development na kurso. Hindi ganon, no? Hindi po yun ganon. In addressing the problems of ecology, punto. In the prevailing Philippine situation, the most effective social work method would be community organization. Ano ibig sabihin ng ecology? Ecology. Hello, klaro na ako? Nakita niyo pa yung slides? Klaro pa, slides? Clear ba ako? Loud and clear, Sir James niyo? Nagigigil ang internet connection ko na. Just bear with me. Nakikita niyo na yung slides ko, class, presentation ko. Nagigigil ako sa internet connection ko, no? Video, kasi baka lumala pa. Okay? So, CO, no? Social believes that individual, groups, or community is distinct. So, meron tayong distinction dyan. Distinct, peculiar, naiba, or may kumpara, individualization kagad. It refers to features of social institutions as trust, speed, networks that facilitates coordination. Tama dyan, social capacity. Nagtutulungan yung every society, every stakeholders nagtutulungan, social capacity, social capital. Meron din tinatawag na human capital, yan yung pinaka yung mga resources. Tao talaga yung pinaka-capital, lalo na yung social capital. Meaning lang naman to. As senior citizen, may not avail 20% kung lumagpas. So, pang CO man ito na tanong ay pang casework. Libre kuan ka, no? Meron kang mga accommodation, no? 20% discount. Kaso lang, hindi ka po qualified dyan kung lumagpas yung income mo ng 60,000. Paano yan malaman, sir? Of course, meron tayong SALN, meron tayong social pension, meron tayong ari-arian. Malalaman yan. I-investigahan man yan or i-assess. One of the 4 functions of social services agency by Perlman, which includes activities related to evaluation of what is needed by the client and the ability to agency to meet the needs. Provision of services. Okay? Providing services, alam mo yung need. So providing something means you know the need. Paano ka makaka-provide kung hindi mo alam yung need? So provision of services. Two-way channel o communication na po to. Okay, so yung mga madaling item lang, next ko na kaagad. At this plan embraces all conceivable contingencies short of war emergencies, use available resources, both government and private. It is function and action-oriented and is capable of making simple and multiple contingencies. Calamities. Alam niyo yung mga NDR MC class? I think may mga familiar. Yung mga seminars nila ay ito yung mga right term na ginagamit. Contingencies, emergencies, mitigation, no? Ganyan, di ba? Kasi yan po yung about sa calamities, and disaster preparedness. To ensure project success, tools are used. Lahat po, ginagamit yan. Okay, work plan to know the work breakdown, of course. And Gantt chart, task, CPM, identify task. Ano yung task na kailangan, ano yung task na critical para magawa. Yan po yung CPM. Critical path method. Qualified interpreters of other effective methods of delivering materials for individuals with hearing impairment are examples of auxiliary aid. May binibigay silang mga auxiliary. When we say auxiliary, yan yung mga supporting resources. Ano ba, hearing aid ba kaya yan? Or auxiliary hearing aid, may mga binigay silang instruments or mga gadgets na nakakatulong. Ang tawag po dyan ay auxiliary aid. Okay? Para ma-interpret. Before the economic depression in 1873, the general belief was that people became poor because of their own doing. Ibig sabihin, kasalanan mo, bakit mahirap ka before. This perception changed when? Change. Letter D. Charity Organization Society, COS po yung nagpabago ng ganyan. Kasi ang sabi, meron na tayong tinatawag na dalawang aspect bakit hirap ng tao. Actually, tatlo. Personal inadequacies, kasalanan mo, nasa sa'yo yung problema, or situational inadequacies, kasalanan ng lipunan, or ng sitwasyon, or both. Both may problema, merong problem, no? Worker working in agency setting only representative, but most importantly, his position. Of course, no? Position mo. Hindi naman pwede pag-at school mo. Nag-aaral ako sa